My name is S.K. Tripathi. Want to explain some experimental facts in physics. I observe most of the students take physics as a difficult subject and fear from physics. One thing usually I tell you that physics start with small activity. When mathematics is applied, when it is applied in different area, it become large and extended to extreme. When we stand ourselves in mathematics, in application of the physics, it become too much large that bore you. Therefore, we suggest you try to understand the essence of physics. When you will get the essence of physics and apply it by mathematics, by its application into different field, it become much more interesting. I want to show some experiment in which we know opposite charges attract and similar charges repel to each other. We take a plastic gum and it is a cotton sheet. I rub the plastic gum with cotton and take it close to the paper pieces, and we see it is attracted by the gum. Question is, why gum attract cotton piece? It is because of electrification. When we rub the gum, it get negative charge. When we take to the paper sheet by induction, paper sheet become positively charged and they attract to each other. Similarly, we can prove that similar charges repel to each other. I will do this experiment with the help of Mr. Sanskar Tripathi, my little young man. Please, yes. Again, I am rubbing the plastic gum and take it to the strips, and we see the two strips move away. That means when we take strip and the plastic gum is taken closed, not touched, by induction, it get positively charged on the two parts. They repel to each other and move away. This proves that similar charges repel to each other. Plastic is insulator, therefore when we rub, the charge is located at this part, it does not flow. But when we rub metallic gum like this, we are rubbing and metallic gum, take it to the sheet, no attraction. It is because it is conductor when we rub, charges produced, but they flow through the conductor, reach to our body, neutralized by the earth. This is the reason when metallic bodies are rubbed, it gives no electrification due to neutralization. Thus, we have proved similar charges repel to each other, opposite charges attract to each other. This experiment is also done with the help of electroscope in lab. It is electroscope in which at one end of the metallic rod gold strips are attached. There is knob. When charge body is taken to the knob, the charge reaches to the gold strips. They repel to each other. Thus, we can see in lab also the similar charges repel to each other. Thus, we have explained opposite charges attract, similar charges repel to each other. You can enjoy the different part of the physics at your home by doing such an experiment. But try to know, try to understand the essence of physics, then you extend it by mathematics, by application with the help of your books. Thank you.